GST Department of States have started sending notices to dealers who have opted for GST composition scheme for failure to mention composition taxable person on every notice or signboard displayed at a prominent place of their principal place of business and at every additional place of their business.
In its 24th and 25th GST Council meeting, the GST Council announced that the facility for generation, modification and cancellation of e-waybills is being provided on trial/voluntary basis on the portal waybill.nic.in. Once fully operational, the e-waybill system will start functioning on the portal waybix.gov.in. Certain modific.
E-waybill is an electronic document generated on the GST portal evidencing movement of goods. Rule 138 of the CGST Rules, 2017 provides for the e-waybill mechanism. In this context, it is important to note that information is to be furnished prior to the commencement of movement of goods and is to be issued whether the movement is in relation to a supply or for reasons other than supply.
Consists of details of GSTIN of recipient, place of delivery, PIN code, invoice or challan number and date, value of goods, HSN code, transport document number, goods receipt number or railway receipt number or airway bill number or bill of lading number, and reasons for transportation.
If the goods are handed over to a transporter for transportation by road, e-waybill is to be generated by the transporter. Further, where neither the consignor nor consignee generates the e-waybill and the value of goods is more than Rs. 50,000/ it shall be the responsibility of the transporter to generate it. As a marketer, I sometimes feel that we ride a 6-month wave of trends, fashions so to speak, that flare up and then pass away. And like fashions, being on the wrong side of a trend is being out of the loop. As marketers, we can't ignore trends, no matter how passing they might be.
For storytelling in 2017 we turned to video. For emotional pull and engagement, nothing beats a moving picture, but video isn't without challenges. Author Jodi Harris looks at the best practices around the video boom and how to maximize your campaign ROI.
Amanda Chu from jeffbullas.com breaks readers into one of the biggest marketing trends of 2017, machine learning. The author introduces new technologies and how to use them as part of an extra effective content marketing strategy. If you've not considered the ramifications of robots doing some of your work for you, this is a good place to start. Why not learn from the best, asks Courtney Seiter of Buffer. This listicle is a swipe file of aspiration marketing tactics, from clever social media plays to new trends in content marketing to why you need authentic live video. This piece will give you lots of ideas, people to follow, and inspiration for your own campaigns. Using a fun Star Wars analogy throughout, Gianluca Fiorelli from Moz provides an important exposé on the current state of the SEO galaxy. Proving a dose of history with a heap of useful analysis, the author takes the padawan SEO learner and even SEO Jedi Knights through an exhaustive and informative tour de force of the SEO skill set. Don't miss this uncommonly valuable and easily enjoyed read on a technical topic.